Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I go from this bit of rough rose quartz to this. I think the first thing I'm going to have to do with this bit of rough is definitely take hopefully a bit of the width off, something a bit smaller to work with. Just makes the old polishing process and shaping process a little easier, a little less work. But yeah, let's get over to the saw and give it a trim. So after a little trim on the saw, what I've ended up with is taking most of the meat off and ended up with a half sort of flat surface to work with. As you can, I don't know if it's showing up properly, but yeah. Both sides, it's had a little bit of taken off both sides. It would just make the whole shaping process and polishing process and shaping that little bit easier. Right, yeah. Let's go. Maybe mark out with a Sharpie sort of the rough shape I'm going for and see where we're at. So I've sort of outlined the rough sort of shape I'm going to go for, just using a Sharpie. I'll probably take it back on the saw and probably just take off those bits along there, just like the waist parts. Back to the saw. So as you can see, just using the side of the blade, sort of got it to the rough shape. Don't want to go too close. You can't sort of put back what you've taken off. But that sort of gives me something to work with, a bit more manageable. Let's take it to the start the grinding process, start shaping. So at this point, sort of half happy with the overall shaping. Got it down to quite a smooth finish. Took it up to a 3000 grit. It gets a bit real grippy at that stage. Try not to get it flung across the room and smashing into pieces. But yeah, I think I'll move on now and work through different gradients of diamond oil. I've already pre-drilled the hole, ready to attach the bail. Just gives me a chance to sort of correct any issues that sometimes getting the diamond burr in there sometimes can cause fractures and chips. So I tend to do it before the finishing stage. There we go. Let's get out the diamond grit. So this is what it now looks like after it's had 2 rounds on the diamond paste. That stuff is super slippery. It's come up lovely. Now it's a case of, I've got these 925 bales with little pegs. Just need to secure one of those in, bit of 2-part epoxy. Give it a nice solid hold, and then yeah, that's it guys.